Does this sound like you? You want to remodel your kitchen, but you're unsure or even afraid of wanting to go through the long, drawn-out process with all of the frustrations and headaches that can come from remodeling your kitchen. The months of being displaced from your kitchen, constantly eating out, and the inability to host your family and friends. Well, you might not know that there are two options of custom kitchen remodeling that are out there. And in this video, we are going to discuss the difference between a design build remodel and a remove and replace kitchen remodel. And don't worry, if you do not know what those words mean, we will define them in this video. And by the end of the video, you'll know the difference between the two and be able to make an informed decision on which is best for you. What is a kitchen design build remodel? A design build kitchen remodel is a completely custom remodeling experience from start to finish. If you as the homeowner can dream it, in a design build world, it can be done. In a design build remodel, homeowners are joined by a designer who guides them through every step of the way and critically and carefully calculates every decision with the homeowner, from cabinet color to countertops to appliances to tile to lighting and more. The homeowner and designer will oftentimes go to several different cabinet manufacturers, lighting stores, flooring stores, tile stores, and more. This is necessary in a design build, but can become very tedious as well. Adding the designer to the equation, as well as many different designs and drafts you will be presented, all come at a cost, likely before you've made a selection on a contractor to work with. After making all of your selections with your designer, settling on the layout of the space, receiving the proposed remodel plans, and the timeline in which the job will be completed, the homeowner will determine whether they want the work done. If the answer is yes, the demolition and construction on the new kitchen will begin. Now, with all of these extra pieces and steps, what in the world does all of this cost? Typically, a design build kitchen remodel cost ranges from $84,000 to $150,000. The cost obviously depends on the scope of the project and the quality of the products being used. Another thing to consider when thinking about a design build kitchen remodel is the amount of time that the project could take. Most of these projects have a design phase of several months and then usually 6 months to a year to build out the design. So all in all, anywhere from a year to a year and a half, start to finish. The greatest benefit of a design build is the reality of having anything you desire accomplished in your kitchens. Many homeowners also enjoy the detailed process that goes into a design build project. They like having a designer whose love for the craft will show throughout the process. The two greatest drawbacks of a design build remodel are cost and time. Design builds take significantly more time than remodels that are remove and replace focused, and traditionally, they cost significantly more as well. On the contrary, the other type of kitchen remodel is most commonly known as a remove and replace kitchen remodel. The remove and replace remodeling process involves tearing out the old features of the kitchen and replacing them with newer pieces, as the name says. It is a less lengthy process when compared to a design build. Rather than a professional designer, most remove and replace contractors are going to provide a design consultant to help you through some of the more limited choices in a remove and replace remodel. The consultant has removed the fatigue of making so many big decisions, which can shorten the timeline and reduce the cost for the homeowner. They've narrowed choices to several well-defined options for the homeowners to pick from. These options are typically based on the trends of similar houses in the region. Overall, the timeline of remove and replace projects take about 2 to 3 weeks in the build-out phase. Due to a lesser scope of work and more defined options, the construction crew just has to take out and replace the kitchen's features instead of removing the infrastructure. The cost of a remove and replace kitchen remodel is traditionally significantly less than a design build remodel. These types of remodels range anywhere from $20,000 to $60,000 based on the size of the project and the quality of the materials being used. There are several benefits of a remove and replace kitchen remodel. Usually the cost and the amount of time that the project will take to complete are the two biggest benefits. Another benefit is the few meetings it takes before the actual renovations take place. Remove and replace projects also take away decision fatigue from the homeowner. A remove and replace remodel can help the homeowner avoid paralysis by analysis. meaning when you have so many choices, it becomes infinitely harder to make one single choice. While that can be a benefit to some homeowners, other homeowners will see the more selected options as a drawback. Another drawback of a remove and replace kitchen remodel could be if the homeowner does want to reconfigure the entire kitchen and remove some walls or relocate some plumbing. Some homeowners' visions for their project simply put them outside the realm of a remove and replace remodel. So you've learned about a design build kitchen remodel and you've learned about a remove and replace. Here is the question. What type of remodel is right for you? If remove and replace sounds like the best option for you, you are in luck. That is what we specialize in here at JSB Home Solutions. Watch our kitchen services video in this playlist to see if we are the right fit for you.